Tap on Text, tap the T, and this will put a text box in the middle of the screen. One thing I like about InShot is that it keeps a history of everything you type when you add text. If you tap the Text History icon, you'll see my last few entries in the text history. You can select any one of these entries by tapping on it. If you tap InShot on iPhone, of course, you can make changes to the text after you've added it. But the text history is helpful because if you can't remember the exact font you used and you like it, you can just call it up from the history just like I did. Tap on the keyboard, delete the text that's there. All the properties will remain the same. You can add your new text. You can move the text around on screen and resize it. Go ahead and tap on the check box. You can use the text history. And we'll place it behind the head of the subject to make it easier to see. We'll just tap on the little pencil here. We'll tap on the color and we'll do something like this. Oh, something like that, just to make it stand out. That looks okay.